How to permanently deactivate Instagram account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently deactivate your Instagram account so that it doesn't automatically reactivate by itself, but we won't be deleting it so that if you ever want to recover it in the future, you'll be able to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. To get started, open up the Instagram app, then select the profile icon on the bottom right of the app. Once on your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the settings. And then in the settings, select Accounts Center. Now that we're in Accounts Center, simply select Manage Accounts at the bottom, and then find the Instagram account that you want to deactivate permanently. So select Manage next to that, and then select Deactivation or Deletion. Make sure you have Deactivate Account selected, and then select Continue. It's going to tell you what will be deactivated. Select Continue. You'll need to enter your password, so do that. You then need to give them a reason why you're deactivating your account. Then scroll down, select Continue. And then this is a very important step where it says before you deactivate, you can download some of your information and also save posts to your archive, but make sure that you scroll all the way down to the bottom and where it says automatically reactivate your Instagram account, select the drop down there, scroll down and select don't reactivate automatically. So select done and then continue. And now we just need to confirm we do indeed want to deactivate our account and our account will not reactivate automatically. So all we need to do if we ever want to reactivate our Instagram account and bring it back is simply log back into it. So select deactivate account. If you have another account, it'll log you into it or it'll bring you to the login screen in Instagram. So now you have permanently deactivated your Instagram account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.